Okay, coming to you here with a video. That's the bratwurst. I'm just now taking off the grill here. Bratwurst, just original bratwurst. They just now coming off the grill. You can kind of still see a little smoke coming off of it. Okay, that's the bratwurst. And here I got the 4 burgers. I had 2 packs of ground beef, but I just split it in half and made 2 each, 4 burgers here. And here in the toaster, I took them off because I didn't want them to get too hard. These are the country style ribs here, pork right there, country style ribs, no bone, just pure meat right there. That's in the toaster. Okay. Okay, and then this is what I got still left on the grill here. And that is that roast I got, beef roast there. And so I'll come back to you when that one's ready to be flipped again, because right now I just now put it on. I don't think it's ready to be flipped just yet. So that's the Mother's Day barbecue that I planned it. This one going just like the other one. See, it's almost doomed out here. But I said I'm getting it done. That's why I'm letting it touch the grill, taking it off and finishing it in the toaster oven so I can get it done, because look, once again, it looked like it's gonna storm. But I was determined to get this video done and get this meat on the grill. So thank you. Bye bye.